You know, I told you not to take those debt repayment holidays unless you absolutely had to. Okay, if you didn't listen to me, I at least have a solution about how you can catch up those repayments that you've missed. Nedbank gave me some figures this week, which were quite startling, to be honest. On R1 million bond, if you had paid off about 5 years of your bond, so you have 180 months left to go. If you took that 3-month payment holiday, you would have taken a payment holiday, would have worked out about 29,000 Rand, 3 months of those installments. That 29,000 Rand would have added an interest bill of 106,000 Rand over the full payment of your bond and added 14 months to your bond repayment. Remember I said this is an expensive debt holiday? That holiday part, very expensive holiday. But it's not all bad news. So what Nedbank has suggested is that if in a year's time, 12 months' time, you're back on your feet, there's 2 strategies you can follow to make sure that you pay off your bond in the original time period and you don't spend any more on interest. The first option is increase your bond repayments by 5%. So whatever you're paying in 12 months' time on your bond, increase that by 5%. You will pay off your bond actually a little bit quicker than the 180 months that you are facing now. You'll probably shave off even 5 months. So A, you'll shave off 5 months, and B, you will pay very little extra in interest. The other option, which I thought was quite a nice one, is you start increasing your bond repayments just by 1% per annum. So maybe in a year's time, you don't have the budget to just increase your bond repayments by 5%, but you do have the ability to add just 1% on. So for example, on a 10,000 Rand repayment, you're only looking at 100 Rand extra every month. So each year you increase by 1% your bond repayments. You will shave off 9 months off your original bond repayment period, and you will have absolutely no extra interest or charges for that debt repayment holiday. So if you took a debt repayment holiday, that is what I'd suggest. Either increase your bond repayments by 5% in a year's time or 1% per annum until your bond's paid off.